Let's talk about A/B tests. Okay, so I know I've said this to people who I have in front of me for client meetings, but marketing and let's be honest, most small business is trying things, seeing what works, and then doing those things. And if something doesn't work, trying something else. Now, A B testing is just try two things at once and see which one is the winner. Now, this has been going on for like as long as, people have been wearing shoes. And why I say that is if you have an outfit and you have two pairs of shoes that could work with the outfit, putting them both on and like holding one leg up and then the other leg, or asking somebody, say, which shoes should I wear? This one or this one? And yes, it sounds frivolous, but it is the best way that I can describe an A B test. Now, you can do A B tests with a few different things, but it's always seeing which one of something works that's comparable. So you wouldn't want to be like, which one works? Like these pants or these shoes? You would want to compare the two same things. So compare shoes, compare two different email subject lines. You could compare the two different times of sending the email. So like say you send an email at 7:30 a.m. and then you have an A/B test to also send to the same group of people, so the same demographics. Your everything else is the same except for like one thing that you're testing. So you send half of it to people at 7:30 and the other half at like 1:30 p.m. and see which one works. It's all about testing to see between two of the same thing which one is the winner. And it's so crazy because this is where like gut feeling and data kind of like butt heads. Because sometimes I'm like, oh, it's going to definitely be like this for the winner. And that's not the case sometimes. So it's all about looking at the data, comparing two similar objects or two similar things, and seeing which one works best for your users. And remember, you might be like right on with your intuition, but if you're not, go with the data. All right. Thanks.